Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. About this one, we can put into secant of s squared, secant of s squared. We know that secant of s squared, that is about tan s squared plus 1. This is about trigonometric identity. Next, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to tan s. So if I do first derivative for the both sides, you got about du equals to secant of s squared ds. This one you got about u to the power of 5. Similar for this one. This one we change by du. U to the power of 5 multiplied by u squared and number 1. The integration of u to the power of 7, you got u to the power of 8 over 8. This one, you got u to the power of 6 over 6. And we put about c. About u, that's about tan s. This is the end. Thank you for watching.